BlackLine's Financial Close Management Package has 6 products designed to increase efficiency, control, and visibility in your financial close. Account Reconciliations helps automate the manual financial close process and replaces it with a centralized online system. Traditionally, account reconciliations are managed in spreadsheets. Preparers manually retrieve balances from the general ledger, carry forward information from prior periods, then manually compare data from the bank statement and invoices. The account reconciliation would then be printed and signed by the preparer. The reviewer would then manually review the reconciliation for approval. Once approved, the reconciliation is placed in a binder and stored. BlackLine's Account Reconciliations product provides standardized templates, automatically retrieves balances from the general ledger, and carries forward open items from prior periods. Users can upload supporting documents, add reconciling items, comments, view company policies and procedures, and electronically review and sign off on reconciliations. In most cases, low-risk accounts are automatically created, pre-populated, and reconciled with BlackLine's rules-based system certification tool. Management can monitor the close process through real-time dashboards and reports. And with a designated read-only audit role, auditors can access relevant data from BlackLine anywhere and anytime. Task Management provides a centralized checklist repository for accounting, finance, and audit teams around the world. The tool can manage checklists associated with the close calendar, manual journals, compliance controls, PBC lists, and more. As part of the task management process, documents can be attached and preserved. Email alerts notify individuals of pending or overdue work. And dashboards provide instant visibility into your close. Transaction Matching automates the matching process for detail-heavy reconciliations, ticking and tying millions of transactions per minute. The manual process, sometimes known as tick and tie, individuals manually compare spreadsheets and attempt to match single transactions or groups of transactions by hand, and at times, the sheer volume of data defies the manual matching process. BlackLine's Transaction Matching product saves time, handles highly complicated matching scenarios, and highlights incomplete or missing data to ensure that time-sensitive exceptions are routed to the correct individuals. Journal Entry provides a centralized repository for creating, reviewing, approving, and documenting all manual journal entries. The traditional approach is to manually enter journals into spreadsheets or directly into the general ledger. This process may also involve email requests to a small number of people who control access to posting journals. Spreadsheet entries typically do not have sophisticated validation for things like appropriate account code combinations, and a journal entry may be posted and rejected multiple times before it is successfully completed. Supporting documents are kept offline, often in shared drives or binders, and approvals are usually paper-driven and cumbersome. BlackLine's Journal Entry product was designed to route all journal entries through a configurable workflow approval process, automatically validated and tied to appropriate supporting documentation before being posted to the general or subledger. Variance Analysis is a configurable rules-driven product that allows companies to centralize and monitor fluctuations in account balances based upon specific predefined thresholds. Analysis is then performed by a user and automatically routed to management, where it can be reviewed and used to inform internal reporting, providing visibility into the overall financial trends of a company. The Consolidation Integrity Manager automates and replaces the manual tie-out process between general ledgers and the consolidation system. Companies typically utilize consolidation systems when they have multiple disparate general ledgers. Balances from the different general ledgers are uploaded into the consolidation system in order to produce balance sheets and income statements. Often, late journal entries are uploaded to the general ledger, causing general ledger balances to be out of sync with the summarized consolidation system balances. Likewise, topside adjustments made to the consolidation balances are not always reflected in the general ledgers. As a result, most companies will have a spreadsheet-driven process to make sure that all systems are in sync. BlackLine's Consolidation Integrity Manager automates this process so that the difference is quickly identified and easily handled. Streamline your financial close accounting processes and give your company the efficiency, control, and visibility it requires.